Hello and welcome to measurement vignette number 13 from Duncan Cartledge online. In this short presentation, we will be looking at some of the issues relating to taking off first fix items. Many people are unaware of the RICS guidance notes, guidance on NRM2. The guidelines contains this statement regarding the measurement of first fix carpentry items. But of course, not all items are shop processed, as shown here with the construction of a traditional flat roof. Another example of in situ first fix work is the construction of a pitched roof with a hipped end, when the length of the hip rafters must be calculated. Note also that the apex rafter has to be included. However, a little bit of trigonometry can save the day, as shown here. If roof trusses are being used, then don't forget to include the eaves overhang when calculating the span of the truss. As always, for the complete picture, go to Duncan Cartledge online.